guys, welcome to our new video, and in this video I will explain you how to create a ping pong game in Wiinblock. So let's start. So first I'll show you how the game runs and then I'll explain you the code. So here is how the game runs. We have a ball, a paddle and a line. These are the sprites we have used, and when the ball touches the paddle it bounces back, and when it touches the line the game is over. That means we do it. So this is how the game runs, and now I'll explain you the code. So the first block for this coding is for the ball sprite. So the first block is when flag click. That is used so that when we click the flag over here, then the game should start. And then point in direction 45, that is used, or as you all can see, look, the ball is always bouncing back in 45 degrees. So that this block is used for that. And forever, it's a condition block so that the game runs forever. If we don't use this, then the code we have done will only run for one time and then it will stop. So this is used so that it runs forever. And then move 10 steps, this is used so that the ball moves. And if on edge bounce, this means that, look, if the ball is touching the edges, then it's bouncing back. So this is used for that. And then if touching paddle, then if then is a condition block. It says a condition like if the ball touches the paddle, then what should happen. So if touching paddle, then point in direction 45, move 10 steps and play sound pop until then. Point in direction 45, so it's always moving in 45 degrees. It's used before also. And then move 10 steps to move the ball and play sound pop until done. So I'll show you. Look, when the ball touches the paddle, look, it's a pop sound. So that is used for that. And then if then again condition block, if touching line, then if touching line, then what should happen? Then it should say game over for 2 seconds. So look, you can see when it touches the line, when it touches the line, it's saying game over for 2 seconds, only for 2 seconds, and then stop all. Then the code should not run. So then it will stop everything. This is the code for the ball, and then for the paddle. This code is for the paddle. So when right arrow key pressed, so for moving the paddle, we use left and right arrow keys in our keyboard. So when right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. So you all know X is a horizontal line and Y is represented by a vertical line. So X by 10, it should move to right. X by 10, X is pointing towards right. So when right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. And when left arrow key pressed, it's just the opposite. Left arrow and change X by minus 10. It should move towards the left. So here it's 10 and here it's minus 10. It's just the opposite. So this is simply the code for the paddle, and for line there's no code. We have just used it as a sprite so that when the ball touches the line, it should stop all. The game should be over. We have just used it. The line has no functions other than that. So the line has no code. So hope you all understood how to create a ping pong game in Wiinblock. So you all create a ping pong game in Wiinblock with your own ideas and then share it with me in the comment section. So hope you all understood how to create a ping pong game, and till the next video, bye bye. And if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our videos. Bye bye.